Very good morning to all of you. We are going to enhance the use case, uh, the work that is carried out behind use case. We call it as an activity diagram, which models the workflow behind every use case. This involves various businesses because a task is completed across a business most often times. And the symbols that we'll be using here is to showcase an activity. We use the symbol this one. It's called as a lozenge shape. If at all you are interested in showing about what are the various states an object undergoes, then we go across with the state, but most often we don't show the state here. Apart from this, we have a decision activity symbol like this, and this is a transition to move across activities or through from decision down towards activities. Other than this, if multiple tasks have to be done, we go for either horizontal or vertical synchronization, and the same we use to close down the activities to join all the activities which have been parallelly enhanced. Other than this, we have the initial state symbol, this one, and a final state symbol, this one. And these are the various businesses which are shown as swim lanes across. Apart from this, if you want some activities to be triggered multiple number of times, we use this symbol. Anything to enhance the model, we use this symbol. Constraints, if you want to add on, these nodes can be attached. This is the base idea about the pictorial representations that are involved in an activity diagram. Here we are going to work on a withdraw use case. What are the various activities that are carried out behind to perform a withdraw action over an ATM machine is shown over here. The steps involved goes across like this. The user gets the card and his PIN validated. Now once these two things are validated, then user gets the withdraw option on the screen, and he need to select the amount to be withdrawn, and this is checked against the balance, and if it is found to be less than the balance, the cash is dispensed and the account is updated. Otherwise, one need to enter the amount once again. Now once this entire transaction is completed, the withdraw transaction is said to be in a completed form. Now this is shown in the form of an activity diagram. Here we are going to involve three swim lanes. One is the ATM user, one business, and the ATM machine is another business, and the bank that is being associated at the end behind is called the business. And the activity starts off with the start button. ATM user will insert the card. The card is verified by the bank. If it is found to be an invalid card, we just move to a stop state. If the card is found to be a valid card, the ATM requests for a PIN value, and the PIN value is entered by the user. This user, again, the PIN value is checked against the bank. Once if it is found to be valid, then the options are displayed. But otherwise, if it is proved to be invalid, then the user is requested to enter the PIN once again. And once the display options come across over validating the PIN as well as the card, the user selects the withdraw option, and ATM requests for the amount to be entered. User enters the amount, and once the amount is entered, the bank checks against the balance in that particular account, and if the amount is found to be less than the balance, we fork two things. That means two parallel activities can be carried out. Each parallel activity is done at various businesses. At the ATM end, the cash is dispensed. At the bank end, the account is updated. Now these two activities are closed down and the cash is collected down at the user end. We go for a stop state in the ATM machine. Now this is just a brief set of activities that go across behind a specified behavior exhibited by the ATM called as withdraw use case. Thank you for listening to this video.